the number 7, one of our girl power drivers here at the Rockford Speedway. It's Melody Welding. As the lights on the car corner pace car duck on out, we are getting ready to go racing. On Pepsi Kids Night, here we go. Here they come, the car. Green flag, and we're racing. Into turn 1, it's Russell. Barely. Russell still leading, barely. Bridges right next to him. Bridges is up by a quarter of a car.
He might have got a little help from Erickson Jr. in that 68 to push him along that line for that lead.
Whoa! Shannon Stoltz got ugly there for a minute, and that could have been disastrous. Here comes Erickson. It's still Russell and Bridges, side by side. Can they do it for 20 laps?
I guess we'll wait and see. He's 5th in the points. He's going to have to make some moves if he can.
So Steven Erickson could make a move here and go through the middle, maybe. It's Bridges. Here comes Erickson. He's going to slide through. Will he try to grab that inside as the other point leaders that he's battling with are right behind him? Here goes Erickson looking to the inside of Bridges. Will Bridges be able to hold off Erickson?
And Evink in that 98 car might try the exact same thing that Erickson did. Go high, low, and work your way around the turns.
And Evink does. Here comes Evink. Here comes Rude. As that big points battle for the American Short Tracker Championship may increase, may decrease, who knows? But these 3 guys in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd are the top 3 points contenders for the Miller Lite American Short Tracker division.
29 at Todd Bridges trying to hang on in that 4th spot, but those top 3 off and running. Got to watch out for that 9, that Pinto and Aaron Rude, but Erickson Jr. over Evink right now.
Rude looking to the inside of Evink as they are pulling away from the rest of the field. It's Erickson, Evink, and Rude, followed by Bridges, Russell, Stoltz, and Melody Welding.
And all 3 of those points leaders very aggressive as front drivers there, making this real fun for the top 3. Somebody will leap somebody in the points or will maintain a points lead. Erickson is currently 2nd in the points. Evink is 3rd, and Rude is 1st.
As we are halfway this time by, it's Erickson, Evink, Rude, Bridges, Russell, Jr., Stoltz, and Welding.
Can Evink catch Erickson Jr. is the next question here in that 98 car. They're working their way around the track. Pinto in the number 9, Aaron Rude, still hanging in that 3rd spot. Can Erickson hang on?
Stoltz looking to the inside of Russell Jr. in the back as Bridges just had some smoke come off that left rear tire going around as the smoke is picking up.
And so is Kelly Evink in that 98 car. He is all over the 68 of Steve Erickson Jr. Trying to make a move in turns 1 and 2. The 98 of Evink. Will he catch him? Working turns 3 and 4. They'll check the line. It's still Erickson by about a half a car.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be one heck of a finish as all 3 of these are points leaders, and they're right there. Every point, every lap matters for these drivers.
Aaron Rude in that 9 trying to find a spot to go while Erickson and Evink are battling it out. Erickson on the backstretch, but watch out for Evink. That Pinto, that number 9. That's 79 Pinto. Gotta watch out. 1, 2, and 3, Erickson, Evink, and Rude. Trouble for that Todd Bridges in the 29 as he continues to smoke and get lapped. Can Erickson hold off Evink? Can Evink hold off Rude? 3 to go. Erickson still there. Rude in that Pinto, being stubborn, won't go away. 2 to go. Erickson, Evink, and Rude are your battle. Russell and Stoltz will be battling for the 4th spot. Last lap. Erickson, Evink, and Rude. A little bit more gaps now. Stoltz in the 55 trying to catch David Russell. Erickson's going to win. Evink second. Rude third. Who's going to get 4th? David Russell Jr. Stoltz in the 55 and Melody Welding will round it off.
What an amazing finish as the 3-point leaders battled it out. As Aaron Rude was pretty far in first. Far this year in the Miller Lite American Short Tracker division, Kelly Evink has won every feature but this one. So I know this was big. Aaron Rude is the current points leader. Steven Erickson Jr. in second with the points. Here he is, Steven Erickson Jr. Wow. What's that? And we also have Aaron Rude that's also got a win in this year as well. So Steven Erickson, come on over here. It's okay if I call you Pretty Boy? Steven Pretty Boy Erickson Jr. You had a lot of pressure behind you. Evink was right there, the points leader right there, all waiting for something to happen. What were you thinking?
I was nervous. I was nervous, that's for sure. He gave me a couple shots to the rear, but me and Kelly, we're good friends, so he actually built my race engine, so I'm happy. It's been a long time coming this year, so car count's low, but I'll take it any way it comes.
The show you just put on for us, the three of you, was absolutely amazing. Steven, do you have any sponsors or pit crew you'd like to thank?
For sure, Dana Lapeer, this is his car. Without Dana, I wouldn't have a ride. My mom, Diane Erickson, up in the stands. Bobby, Tanner, John Cabello in the 68th District. He's our main sponsor this year. He came through with us over the winter. And I got Erickson Auto Parts, Yes Staffing, Blue Mule Racing, Tina Bombs Now, Neighbors. If you want some good drinks, go down to Neighbors. And Miller Lite.
Very nice. Steven, the fans and I have one question for you. It's hot. Are you going to jump in that just like Ryan Finley just did? After the photo, we're going to see what he does. Do you want Steven Erickson to jump in the pool? Make some noise! All right, once again, Steven Erickson Jr. I got to watch this. I'm not walking up the stairs this time. Or maybe he'll drive the car. I don't think so. He said Kelly Evink's been helping him. The guy that was right on his rear end, almost about to pass him. Here we go. Cheer him up. Let's see what Steven's going to do. Is he going to dive or do a cannonball? He's going to take a running jump. Oh, look at that! Holy cow! Steven Erickson Jr. cleared the pool into 7,000 gallons of Rockford Speedway water. Ladies and gentlemen, the current 50-50 amount is $340 to a single winner, as we will draw the winner following the late model feature race. That was